What's up everybody, I'm Ethan Lee, also known as Watcher Syndicate. While in many of these weekly check-in videos, I cover what stocks I buy and how many shares. I don't specifically show the process of it, however. A few people told me that they were interested in knowing how the specifics of how trading actually works, so let's get into it. If you don't care for that, feel free to skip to this time code where your normal programming resumes. I personally use the brokerage firm Fidelity. I was recommended to them by a friend, and this was during when TD Ameritrade had a massive $10 commission every time you bought or sold a stock. Looking back, I'm still happy with my decision to stay with Fidelity, as their user interface and research tools have benefited me quite a lot. The process is nearly identical on the computer as it is on my phone. However, it's a lot easier to record on my phone, so I will do that instead. I first open the app and make my way to the Transact tab at the bottom. Here you can do most of the processes involving money, such as buying shares of a stock or transferring money. You can't buy shares of a stock without actually having money in the app first though. Once you open an account, you can go through the standardized process of linking a bank and such. Since I've already had the account opened, I've already finished this step. I then go to and click transfer, and I select the bank account I want to transfer money from and the brokerage account I want it to go to. You can also use this to transfer money between two brokerage accounts or money from a brokerage account to a bank account to cash out. After selecting the two, you will want to fill in how much money you want to move. Once you confirm the transfer, Fidelity and many other brokerage firms will give you that money to trade with, sometimes in a day, sometimes immediately. You're able to buy stocks with this placeholder money. In a few days, the money will actually leave your bank account and the money will settle. Once the funds settle, you then can withdraw them. To initiate a trade, you select trade. Duh. The menu that pops up is the quick trade menu. In the quick trade menu, you're able to buy fractional shares of a stock. I switch over to the account that I want to trade in, and it also states my cash available. Here you're able to choose the stock, whether or not you want to buy or sell, at what quantity, and whether you want to do a market order or a limit order. There are more options listed at the bottom, but if you click it, it brings you to the advanced trading menu, and the advanced trading menu does not actually let you buy fractional shares of stocks. Since I'll only be investing $20, I will be using the poor men menu, otherwise known as the quick trade menu, for I am not rich. I've decided to buy Coca-Cola, ticker symbol KO, with my $20. My small $20 only equates to 0.412 shares of Coca-Cola. I also decided to further invest another $80 into the stock market. I purchased $35 of Invesco High Dividend Income Fund, SPHD, $35 of Intel Corporation, ticker symbol INTC, $5 of American Express Company, ticker symbol AXP, and $5 of Boeing, ticker symbol BA. That increased our annual dividend income from $68.62 to $71.59. I also deposited a little bit more Bitcoin. I put 0.0010267 Bitcoin, or $11.99 into my crypto wallet. Also, this week when I went to the bank, I decided to ask the teller if they had any half dollars. I lucked out and I got 14 half dollars for $7. I looked through them and I found that 2 of them were actually silver half dollars. I then exchanged the other 12 for my $6 back. The best way to identify silver in minted coins is to look at specifically what year they were minted. Both coins were minted in the year 1966, which is within the silver coin range. However, specifically, it fell into the range of when the government decided to change half dollars from 90% silver to 40% silver. Therefore, there's only about $4.50 worth of silver content in each coin. That is still a lot more than the 50 cents I paid for each. On the 13th, I was paid 5 cents from Nucor Energy Corp, ticker symbol NUE. On the 13th, I was paid on the managed account 4 cents from Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. On the 14th, I was paid a few times. I was paid on the managed account $9.62 from AbbVie, ticker symbol ABBV, and I was paid in both the managed account and my personal account from Realty Income, ticker symbol O. I was paid $4.81 in the managed account and 66 cents in my personal account. I also decided to send in a request to PayPal Credit, requesting that they increase my credit limit. I've noticed that I've had the account open for 14 months now, and I've had consistent credit history with them. So I took a chance and I asked if they would increase my credit score, which in turn, if approved, will help my credit because it would lower my credit utilization, which would in turn make them see that I have good credit, which I could request an increase in the future further. It's just a cycle that keeps on going, and it's an infinite cycle until I die. In terms of magic, I didn't do much in terms of magic this week. However, I did come across another fairly great offer that I jumped on immediately. I got another time spiral from Urza Saga. This copy, however, is slightly in a more rough condition than the copy I got last week. While it's a little more loved than the other, I got this one for $68, almost 50% less than the current market price. And with that being said, that's everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to leave a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. Also the bell icon to be notified whenever a new video is posted. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at wf.ethan.lee, where I post art every Tuesdays and Thursdays most of the time. This is Ethan, over and out.